Greetings, students. I want to show you how to make a works cited page for your research. So first off, you'll need your research information, which should be saved on your note sheet. Then you're going to need to go to EasyBib. To get there, you'll actually click on the link here for library databases, and it'll bring you to the library webpage. The first thing has EasyBib. You click on that, and it brings you here. Once you're here on EasyBib, there is a spot for you to, the URL that we copy and pasted into our notes, there's a spot for us to copy and paste that into this bar right here. All right, so if it's a website, I can copy and paste it here. I go back to my note sheet, find where I have the site, so the little link I had, copy and paste that, go back to EasyBib, and I can paste it here by clicking Control V. Once I have the link there, I click Cite It. And then it'll say, is this what you were talking about? So, News ELA, teen suicide rates rising. Well, I look back and that is my article, so that is correct. So I'm in my EasyBib, I click Cite This. And it says, here's what we found for me. It gave me my website title. It gave me the date I accessed it, which they're saying it's today. If I remember from my note sheet, I had you write down the date. So I actually accessed this on the 5th. So I can change that. Okay. And it says continue to the final step. It says it'll need the article title, publisher, when it electronically published, and the authors. I can find that. So I will go get my article title. I can go back to this article here. I can actually copy and paste that, make it a little easier on myself. Here's my article title. My author, I go back in and I look. You're going to find your author under the byline. So this is Associated Press. Now, sometimes you're going to see a person's name, like Jane or Howard, something like that. If you don't, and it sounds like maybe a newspaper, that's the last name, or corp or corporation. I'm going to put it here, Associated Press. Associated Press is not a person's first name. So it has website title. It says it's a little too long. I'll take the News ELA out of it. But that is, oh, that's the website's title. That is just News ELA. News ELA. Electronically published. So I need to go back and look at my article and see, okay, it was published 11/16/2007. So I go into my EasyBib. The day was 16. The month was 11, so that's November. And the year was 2017. Now that I've given it that information, I go create citation. Here. So I can copy and paste this and put it on my works cited page. Control copy. Now, depending on your research project, if you are making the research letter, you need to have your works cited on the next page. So you'll need to go insert, a break, page break, title it works cited, enter, and put your citation. Okay? So if I'm going to be doing it on my slides, this depends on which project you had, I need to create a new slide that says works cited. It'll be my 6th slide, and put it here. Okay. So the only thing you need to know is that your works cited page should be in alphabetical order by the author's last name. So this author is the Associated Press. So A would go first. So if I have several, I'm going to organize them by the author's name. So you should have 3 sources. So you'll see 3 works cited here using your EasyBib to create your citation. All right. If you use the library database, many of the articles in there have a citation you could just copy and paste if you remember doing that. All right. If you have any questions making the works cited, please let me know. Thanks. Bye.